All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing well. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. If you like this kind of content, also if you could give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. So what I want to talk about today is wPGO and its listing on PancakeSwap and how to bring it up on PancakeSwap and how to add liquidity. So here I'm on PancakeSwap. I'll have the link in the description. You're going to, this is going to be a tutorial on using your MetaMask wallet, and I'll do one for Trust Wallet at a later time. But you're going to link your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap. And as you can see here, I have my MetaMask wallet up. I have some BNB, which you're going to need, Binance Smart Chain token, and you're going to need wPGO to provide liquidity. You need both of those things. You're also going to need to be on Binance Smart Chain, and that's in the network settings. Go to settings, and you're going to go down to networks, and you're going to pick Binance Smart Chain. So I'm already on there. I have a video already on how to add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet, and I will also leave that video in this video, a link to it in this video. Okay, so come back down here to PancakeSwap, and you're going to select a currency, and you're going to paste the token address here. You can get our token address from our Discord channel, and the token address here, as you can see, I'm on Binance Smart Chain scan, which will show the token address here. It's the contract address, and you're going to press click, and you're going to copy that. You're going to put it here, and you're going to cut and paste, and you can see it pops up. I've already added it. So we are good. So wPGO here, if you want to trade it, that's how you would bring up wPGO. And again, you're going to need Binance Smart Chain token, BNB. The address starts with 0x. So okay, say you want to add liquidity. You're going to put add liquidity. Select a currency. We're going to do PGO, wPGO. And here you need an equal amount of BNB to wPGO, and they've done that for you here at PancakeSwap. And to add it, I would hit Approve wPGO. It shows you how much share of the pool you'd be getting and BNB per wPGO. And it's that easy. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in our Discord. And our token address and contract address are also listed there. And the token sale is still live. And we will be providing liquidity to the PancakeSwap liquidity pool, so we can get some trading done on wPGO. You can buy and sell. And we also have a 5,000 Penguin coin giveaway running right now. You can enter for free. I'll have that also in the description of the video. And if you haven't already done so, please again subscribe, like, share the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in our Discord, and I'll leave that link as well.